Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Adobe Animate document and place a background. In the future you are going to place an object that will float across the background from one side to the other. You get to choose what your object will be, so it could be the sun, a planet, clouds, anything that you've made recently, and you also get to choose what your background will be. However, we are going to make two versions. One is going to be 12 seconds, which we're looking at right now, and the other one will be 2 seconds, which I'm going to show you right here. So these two projects will help you get used to the interface and show you a little bit how to create speed difference in your animation. All right, let's get started. Go to File, New, choose Full HD, 1920, 1080, 24 frame rate, ActionScript 3.0, and click Create. The first thing that I'm going to do is shrink this a little bit so I can see the edges of the project. So I'm going to pop this little menu open and put it on 75. Now I'm going to go to File, Import, and import to stage. I will go to my folder where I have my background saved, and I'll choose one of my linear gradients, and I'll use Sunny Sky and click Open. I'll leave the check mark next to Layer and next to Rectangle and place objects at original position, but I need to put a check mark next to Import as a single bitmap image and click Import. If necessary, go over here and click the Free Transform tool or Q on the keyboard, then hold down Alt and pull this corner out so it fits the background. Now down here in the Layers panel, I'm going to click the padlock to lock it so I don't accidentally move it, and I'm going to double click where it says Layer 1 and call it Sky. Now the next thing that I need to do is set this to 48 frames. So 48 frames is 2 seconds. You can see the 2S right here, and 48 is right here. Now on the keyboard I'm going to push F6, which will insert a keyframe. There are other ways to insert a keyframe. You can click this little button right here. You can click and hold it and change it to different kinds of keyframes. Now I'm going to save this, File, Save, and I'm going to call this Sky 2 seconds. And choose a folder to save it in and click Save. That is on my Google Drive, by the way. Now I'm going to go to File, New, and create another document with the same dimensions, Full HD, and click Create. I will change the view to 75 so I can see the edges, and go to File, Import, Import to Stage, and this time maybe I'll choose the sunset sky and click Open. And check mark, check mark, check mark, and place a mark next to Import as a single bitmap image and import. Now Q on the keyboard or grab the Free Transform tool, hold down Alt on the keyboard and pull out that corner. I will put a padlock here so I don't move it, and here I'm going to call it Sunset. Now for this one I'm going to make it 12 seconds, and 12 seconds is way over here. So here we go, 12S stands for 12 seconds, and that's 288 frames. So right here. And F6 on the keyboard, or you can click this button right here to insert a keyframe. Next, I will save that. File, Save, And this one I will call sunset 12 seconds. And click Save. All right, that is step number 1 completed. And in the next video, I'll show you how to add a sun, a cloud, a planet, or whatever you like. That's it for this video.